Sin was already here. Adam and Eve did not bring sin into the world. Satan and his angels did when they rebelled against the Most High and was cast down to earth. When Adam and Eve were deceived in paradise, death entered Adam and Eve's lineage. Because of Adam and Eve's transgression, death has entered our lives. They are responsible for bringing death into our lives. Prior to the fall, death did not have authority over Adam and Eve. In addition to death entering our lives, the dominion given to Adam and Eve over the earth was lost. The earth is now in the hands of the wicked. The wicked control the earth with the Satans.